Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to do some very interesting cushion cover DIYs. Whether you like boho, country style or farmhouse, you must have seen such vintage inspired cushion covers all over Instagram, on Pinterest, and we are also going to create some for ourselves in a small budget. If you like watching my videos, then please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Now let's talk about the fabric. For sourcing the fabric for my cushion covers, I went to my favorite website, Fabriclore. They offer all sort of fabrics in many different designs, so it's very easy to pick fabric for all your DIY projects, and their quality is just amazing. So I looked for some linen fabric because linen cushion covers are very much in trend. Details of each fabric like dimensions and wash care is always mentioned. So do check out Fabriclore for all your fabric requirements. So all the fabrics have arrived, and this is my little stitching box, and I have few things in here like basic things like scissor and this pin. This is very helpful for all the beginners. If you are a beginner at stitching, this is going to be very helpful. I'll show you how to use it. Then I have got basic thread, basic white cotton thread, and I have got threads in different colors and some laces. I always keep some extra laces for DIY projects, and this is the linen fabric I picked in front of you. It is really soft and smooth. I really like the feel of it. Print is just as I saw on the screen. This is exactly that. And this is another fabric which I really like. This is organic fabric, and this is I'm going to use this for creating a farmhouse cushion cover. Such prints are very popular these days, and the fabric is again very nice and soft. Then the third fabric which I have picked for the cushion cover is this blue toil fabric. This is extremely beautiful, and this is very difficult to find in India. I was really amazed when I saw this on Fabriclore, and I immediately decided to purchase it. Now let's start making these cushion covers, and all the cushion cover I'm going to show you are going to be extremely easy even if you are a beginner at stitching. So the first project we are going to do are these tie closure farmhouse style cushion covers. So I have picked this striped fabric, and this is the sample cushion cover which I'm going to use. This is a 16 by 16, and apart from that I'll be creating a 12 by 12 cushion cover because I have some extra fabric. So basically we will be having a side opening, and on the sides we will be adding some ties so that we can have a tie closure look. So this is very basic and very easy. You have to simply cut panels, and you have to then create some ties. So I'll show you the whole process. If you're not comfortable using a cushion cover as your basis for cutting, you can measure it as well. You can use inch tape for doing that. I have been creating a lot of cushion covers, so I'm comfortable using this process. So I'm just cutting out the fabric. So we have cut out the fabric, the two panels of the cushion cover, and we are having a side opening in this cushion cover. So we have to keep one side open and the other three sides will be stitched. So first of all, I am working on the side opening of the cushion cover. I have folded some fabric from the sides so that we can have a cleaner look. I'll be stitching upon it, but before stitching I am putting these pearl head pins so that I understand I have folded the fabric properly, the fitting is coming out properly. This pin is very helpful in understanding if you are moving in the right way. So I have put pins in all the sides, and my basic structure of the cushion is ready. This is basically without stitching also you can understand how your cushion is going to look. So I will simply put it on a cushion cover, on a cushion filler, and I will see if the fitting is coming out properly, and on the basis of that I will make some adjustment in the pin section, and until I get a proper fit I will keep repeating this process. I have created these ties using a thin section of the fabric, and now I'm going to stitch it one by one. Two I have already stitched, and now I'm stitching the one in between. This is very easy to create. So I have attached all the ties and our cushion cover is ready now. See, it was such a simple DIY. It took less than an hour and your beautiful cushion cover is ready. You can mix and match with different cushion covers. This will look very beautiful, very elegant, and I love this DIY. Next, we are going to make a country style ruffle cushion covers. Ruffle cushion covers are very popular in India as well these days, and they are being sold at obnoxious prices. So I wanted to create one for myself. Whether you like boho or you like farmhouse, everybody is adding these ruffle cushion covers. So we are also going to make one. I'm going to show you a very simple process for creating a ruffle, even if you are a beginner. So again, I'm going to create a 12 by 12 cushion cover, and I'm going to use my tie closure cushion cover as a measuring basis for this cushion cover as well. Now this is extremely simple. First of all, you have to take the two panels of the cushion cover and do it inside out, and then put a hakoba lace, cotton hakoba lace in between these panels. So basically this lace will act as a ruffle so that it is easier if you are a beginner at stitching. So place the lace correctly, otherwise you won't get the ruffle properly. And now for creating the ruffle look and putting everything together, again I'm going to use these pearl head pin so that I understand if I am moving in the right direction. So I will keep adding these pearl pins. In order to make the process easier while moving from one side to another, we will not cut the lace, we will simply fold it a little bit, and then I will put the pearl pin over it so that I don't have to cut and stitch the laces separately. This will create a much cleaner look and it will be much easier for you as well. So we have attached the lace on the three sides of the cushion cover, but on the fourth side we have the opening. So we have to make sure we are attaching this lace on just one front panel only. This is also again going to be similar process, but you have to leave the back section. So as you can see, I have attached the lace on the front panel, and I will stitch the two open ends of the lace while finally machine stitching or hand stitching. See, our ruffle cushion cover structure is ready. Now we have to simply hand stitch it or machine stitch it. For the back opening, you have to simply add some hooks for the closure purposes, or you can add a tie as well, it's up to you. The lace made the process much easier. If you are at advanced level, then you can create a fabric ruffle as well. I have tried to make it very simple for beginners. I have made a fabric ruffle as well for your reference, and if you want, next time I can create this tutorial as well. This is also very easy to make. So this is it, our very easy peasy ruffle cushion cover is ready. And it looks very beautiful. You can place it in your cozy nook, in your reading area or your balcony. Totally enjoy having some chai and read some books. And this is the fabric ruffle cushion cover which I have made from extra fabric. Overall costing for this cushion cover must be around 250 to 300 rupees, and trust me, you will never get ruffle plus a linen cushion cover in this budget. The third project which I'm going to do is this shabby cottage toil cushion cover. This is very popular these days. Basically, toil fabric is very popular in cottage and shabby chic homes. So we are adding some lace here for that shabby feel. So our basic cushion is ready. I have used some external help in this cushion cover because I wanted to add a piping here, and I'm not good at creating piping, so I have taken help from my tailor and I've added piping here. So our basic cushion is ready. If you do not want a piping, then you can simply make the structure at home. And now I am going to use 2 laces for that cottage shabby chic feel. So we are adding these laces, layer of 2 laces on the side of the cushion cover because I really like the design on that other side, so I wanted to add the laces in this other section. And using a pearl head pin, I am again placing these laces. Now stitching this can be tricky because the cushion cover has already been stitched, so I will be using another hack or trick for attaching these laces. You can use these hacks for any of your ready-made cushion. If you want to add any lace or any other thing, you can use these hacks. So what I have done here is I have stitched the 2 laces separately. Instead of stitching them directly on the cushion cover, I have stitched them separately. This will make the process much easier as the cushion is already been stitched. Now if you don't stitch at all, you can now stick these laces onto the cushion using a glue gun, which I don't like much because it comes off eventually. Or you can just place these laces on the cushion cover and stitch them at certain distance so that you don't have to stitch the whole lace because it will be a cumbersome process. Using simple needle and thread, you can stitch these laces on 5 to 7 places instead of stitching the whole thing. This will be much easier and much quicker, and you're done. And here you go. Your own shabby cottage cushion cover is ready. This was a very easy project. Even if you don't like stitching, you can easily do it. You can take help from your nearby tailor. This was very easy and fun to do project, and I hope you guys enjoyed all the 3 cushion cover DIYs. These are some very unique designs I have brought in from you, and if you like more such projects, then do let me know. And thank you so much.